5 tornadoes that made the biggest economic damage. Number 5, Hackleburg, Alabama, 2011, an EF5 tornado, causing an estimated $1.5 billion in damage. 4th place, Joplin, Missouri tornado. The devastating tornado struck this city in 1971. It was an F5 tornado, the highest rating on the Fujita scale at the time, and caused an estimated $1.9 billion in damage. 3rd place, Moore, Oklahoma, 2013, caused an estimated $2 billion in damage. 2nd, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, 2011, another EF4 tornado caused an estimated $2.5 billion in damage. The worst tornado from the economic point of view was again in Joplin, Missouri in 2011. It caused an estimated $2.8 billion in damage.